Hello, and thanks for stopping by the channel today. Today we're going to be doing a gear review of the MouKey mechanical metronome. This metronome is found on Amazon, and I'll include a link below in the description of this video. It will be an affiliate link, so the price will remain the same to you, but if you should so choose to buy it through this link, I'll just receive a small reward from Amazon for leading you to this product. One of the things that can greatly improve a guitar player's ability to keep up with the band or to just get better in general is to improve his timing. The best way to do this is to actually play with the metronome. This is not just for guitarists, however. Anyone who plays piano, violin, a drummer even, could greatly benefit from the use of a metronome and practicing alongside of it. One thing that you'll note right off the bat is that this metronome is loud enough that you can actually play along with it without having to strain to hear it, but it's also not so loud that it's ear-piercing and something that's obtrusive. I really like the look of it. It's very classy looking. The black and the gold together with the silver edgings look really nice, and it's very sturdy, I have to say. When I first took it out of the box, I was astonished by the fact that it was packaged very well, and it came with a nice little carrying case, which you'll soon see in my unboxing portion here. As you can notice, great care was given to make sure that the pendulum was not damaged, nor was the mechanism within inside the machine itself. The drawstring bag that came with it was a very nice addition. The metronome fits nicely inside of it and has a drawstring so that you can take it with you on the road. Now, one thing that I would definitely like to say about this is it was actually a lot better than what I expected for the price. For one, it's easy to use. I mean, the pendulum itself, as you can see pictured here, you just simply slide it up and down, you choose the tempo that you need, you let the pendulum go into motion, and it provides the sound that you need. The pendulum can make from 40 to 208 beats per minute, and the beat selection is on the 0, 2, 3, 4, and the 6 beat. It has a tempo tolerance of 1%, which is very good, and the sound, like I said, is not overpowering or obtrusive. This can be applicable to most instruments, practicing piano, violin, guitar, bass, drum, and other musical instruments. One good thing is the fact that it's not battery operated, so you don't have to have any batteries to power this. The spring mechanism that's located on the side of it actually what gives the metronome its power. There's also a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If at any time you're not happy with the product after you've purchased it, you need to get back with them within, I believe it's 30 days, and they will give you a full replacement, full refund, whichever would be more applicable to your situation. There's also a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, and they have great customer service. I've already been in touch with Yuki and was thanking him for this product, in which case he responded very quickly and was very nice. So if you're in the market for a metronome, this is definitely a good viable option at a good price. Like I said, the link will be in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and this gear review. Have a great day.